Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease which is transmitted from unaffected female carrier or mother to the male progeny. It is due to the um, this disease is due to a single protein that is a part of a cascade of proteins involved in the clotting of blood is affected. So the whenever there is cut in this cut or anything injury occurs to this individuals, then there is non-stop bleeding. The possibility of female becoming a hemophilic is very rare, um, and least the female has to be the least carrier. The father has should be the hemophilic. Only then the female can be hemophilic. This was also seen in the family pedigree of Queen Victoria, who was hemophilic. She was a carrier of this disease. Sickle cell anemia is an autism linked recessive disorder that can be transmitted from parents to offspring when both the partner or both the parents are carrier of this disease. It is controlled by a single pair of allele, HA and HBS. There is a 50% probability of transmission of mutant gene to the progeny if uh, if the parents are the carrier of this disease. This defect is caused by substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the sixth position of beta globin chain of hemoglobin molecule. The substitution of amino acid into globin protein results into a single base substitution at the sixth codon of the beta globin gene from GAC to GUC. The mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of RBC from binoconcave disc to elongated sickle-like structure.